Children, take out your book file. In that, take out page number 83. Put today's date. Look at each bird and write its name. Take help from the help box. Now यहाँ पर कुछ birds दिए हैं and आपको वो birds के नेम लिखने हैं. यहाँ पर हेल्प बॉक्स दिया गया है, यहाँ से हम ढूंढेंगे. ओके, नेम. द फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज ऑफ duck. So where is duck here? Yes, here. D-U-C-K, duck. We'll write here D-U-C-K, duck. The second picture is of a hen. Now where is hen? Here. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. The third picture is of crow. Where is crow here? Yes, the crow is here. So we'll write here C-R-O-W, crow. The next picture is of parrot. Where is parrot here? Yes, parrot is here. So we'll write here P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Here, which picture is this? Cock. So where is cock here? Yes, the cock is here. So we'll write here C-O-C-K, cock. Which picture is this? Owl. And the owl is here. O-W-L, owl. Which picture is this? Goose. So the goose is here. So we'll write here G-O-O-S-E, goose. Now the last picture is of sparrow. Sparrow is here. So we'll write here S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. So in this way you will finish this worksheet.